Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this question, we're going to be looking at 4 cations: potassium fluoride, sodium chloride, sodium bromide, and lithium chloride. For part A, we're asked to determine the cation-anion distance. So the cation-anion distance is equal to the ionic radius for the cation plus the ionic radius for the anion. So for Kf, the cation-anion distance is ionic radius for K plus the ionic radius for Cl minus, F minus, and this is going to give us a cation-anion distance of 2.17 angstroms. For NaCl, the ionic radius of Na plus is 1.16 angstroms. Ionic radius of Cl minus is 1.67 angstroms, and this will yield a cation-anion distance of 2.83 angstroms. For NaBr, ionic radius of Na plus is 1.16 angstroms. Br minus is 1.82 angstroms. This would yield a cation-anion distance of 2.98 angstroms. And for LiCl, ionic radius of lithium plus is 0.90 angstroms. Cl minus is 1.67 angstroms. This would yield a cation-anion distance equal to 2.57 angstroms. So there would be the cation-anion distances of the 4 ionic compounds. For B, based on our answer to part A, arrange these 4 compounds in order of decreasing lattice energy. So for part B, the lesser the ionic radius, the greater the attraction between the cation and the anion. As a result, the lattice energy is greater for compounds with a small ionic radius, or radii. So the order of increasing ionic radii from part A is as follows. We have LiCl to Kf to NaCl to NaBr. Therefore, the arrangement of ionic compounds in order of decreasing lattice energy based on ionic radii would be LiCl be greater than Kf, be greater than NaCl, greater than NaBr. So there is our order. For part C, using the table of lattice energy, check your prediction in part B, and our prediction is correct. So from the table, the lattice energies are as follows. LiCl is 834 kilojoules per mole. Kf is 808 kilojoules per mole. NaCl, 788 kilojoules per mole. And NaBr, 732 kilojoules per mole. As evident, from the values, the arrangement of the compounds in order of decreasing lattice energy is LiCl to Kf, NaCl to NaBr. And comparing this with part B, therefore, the prediction of lattice energy from ionic radii in part B is correct, as it is exactly the same order we can see here from part C as it is in part B.